who pursued truth over comfort, and who showed that journalism, when done right, is not just a profession, but a public service. The European Union Investigative Journalism Awards recognize the kind of journalism that both demands and strengthens institutional transparency and accountability, protects citizens, and defends democracy. These are not just stories. These are investigations that reveal corruption, uncover abuse, and give voice to those rarely heard. However, despite the crucial role journalists play, the media sector in Kosovo, but also in the region, continues to face significant challenges. In Kosovo, many outlets remain heavily dependent on donors and rely on business interests. Many journalists continue to work without contracts or only under service agreements, which expose them to pressure and complicate their investigative efforts. Assaults, threats, and derogatory statements against journalists, including from high-level officials and business persons, are not helping either. The situation highlights the ongoing need for improvements to ensure journalists can work freely and safely. To this end, the European Union in Kosovo is engaging with authorities to help them to align media laws with EU standards. However, due to the absence of fully functioning institutions over the past year, no progress was made, as stated in the European Union Commission Enlargement Report 2025 for Kosovo. Furthermore, our support for media-related programs is extensive. The European Union in Kosovo supports independent journalists, strengthening their capacities to report on democracy, good governance, human rights, and the European Union integration.
Storjet për cilat po flasim janë publikuar gjatë vitit 2024 dhe viti 2024 nuk ka qenë as pak I lehtë për komunitetin e mediave, për gazetarët dhe për të gjithë ata që me zërin dhe punën e tyre kanë guxuar të veprojnë të pavarur në mbrojtje të fjalës së lirë. Përballë presioneve politike e sfidave ekonomike, secili prej tyre ka treguar për kushtim dhe profesionalizëm të jashtëzakonshëm.
Gjatë kësaj rruge ka pasur momente ku për një me jam dorëzu. Kom dash më dorëzu, kom dash më unajt. Jo pse im lodh prej punës, por sepse I kom pa që familja jem jenë lëndu mas shumë ti. Kur ka ndodhur rasti Alp Kings, më ka bo me kuptu që unë nuk jem guri. Por rasti Alp King ke diçka tjetër, për shkak se nuk ke veç një histori që na raportuam, si që raportuan edhe shumë kolegë të tjerë, por ke diçka që mu ballafaqoj direkt me qindra e qindra njerëz të cilët mu vërsolen. Pra ishte një betejë që më përfshiu si njeri, si nanë dhe si bi. Ndjeva për herë të parë, pra, si që thash, që gazetaria nuk ka mbrojtje, nuk kje, dhe më thonë, s'ki asnjë lloj mbrojtje, as kjo e gru, as guri ra për toke. Për atë që bëja unë shpesh mia mi përprejtonin ngacmime në rrugë dhe në shkollë.
It is an honor to be here tonight and to receive this award, because it's not just a recognition for the story we reported, but for the essential role of investigative journalism in defending the public interest. But believe me, after every investigation, there is a quiet battle, there is a fight, because investigative journalism is in crisis, is struggling, and is under the pressure. But that's why this award, it means a lot to us, because it's telling us that we are on the right way. It gives us a motivation to continue investigating, to uncover crime and corruption, and to keep believing that journalism can still matter.